Welcome to Double D Autos in Kent. Established for over 30 years, we're an independent accident repairer and car servicing station, offering friendly and professional services to customers in Bromley, Beckingham, Orpington and the neighbouring parts of Kent. We work on all makes and models and using the latest equipment and techniques. Our services include MOT testing, servicing and repairs, replacement clutches, tyre sales, car valeting, panel beating, insurance repairs, fault diagnosis and much more. If you've had a non-fault accident, we can provide you with a free courtesy car and legal advice. All our work is guaranteed with a manufacturer's warranty on any parts supplied. We'll be happy to provide you with a free estimate. Thanks for watching. For more information, please call us on 0208 460 3040.